When you want photos or other images to look exactly how you imagine them, try using picture controls. The same subject can create quite different impressions depending on the picture control used. To choose a picture control, highlight Set Picture Control in the I menu and press OK. In addition to 8 picture controls such as Auto, Standard, and Neutral, the camera also offers a choice of 20 creative picture controls for a total of 28 different options. You can also fine-tune selected picture controls by pressing the multi-selector down and adjusting the overall strength of the effect or modifying individual picture control parameters. Picture controls, letting you adjust photos to your taste. Find your own unique form of expression.